Closing arguments are now set to begin Monday. Before resting their case, the defense spent the afternoon calling witnesses who live in Satilla Shores.
And many of them are part of a Facebook group that the defendant, Travis McMichael, says informed him of crimes in the neighborhood. News4Jax reporter Marilyn Parker begins our trial coverage tonight. And Marilyn, the questioning from prosecutors was tested in court today.
Yes, one of the prosecutors asked a witness if she believed someone stealing deserved a death penalty. Just about all of the defense attorneys objected to this. Take a listen to how that went down in court today.
Do you believe that someone stealing is deserving of death penalty, Mr. Coker?
Relevance, Your Honor.
I'll withdraw the question, Judge.
And I will state for the record, because we don't have daily reports coming out, that the question was, do you believe that someone stealing is deserving of the death penalty? It's inappropriate, it's incendiary, it's prejudicial, it's improper, and we ask that she be sanctioned in front of the jury for having done that.
Kevin Goff, the defense attorney for William Bryan, called for a mistrial based on that question. The judge instructed the jury to disregard that comment, and the state was admonished. The defense called multiple witnesses who were either victims or heard about crimes in the neighborhood. One of them was Diego Perez's wife, Brooke. Larry English would call Diego Perez when he saw someone on one of his surveillance video cameras. Brooke told the court it frustrated them, but her husband would go over anyway. Take a listen to what she told jurors.
Did you ever try to stop your husband, say this is not our concern, don't do that?
No, sir.
Why?
Why not? Sorry.
It's dangerous, right? It's dangerous.
I mean, it could be, yes, sir, but if you don't know what, you're just going to find out, hey, what are you doing? What's going on here? That's not, it could be dangerous, yes, but it could not. So I didn't look at it as.
Did it not scare you when your husband would leave the home at night to go check on the streets?
It was very unnerving that what was going on, because you didn't know what was going on, but I guess I trusted my husband enough, and I knew, that I guess the Lord would protect him. Whatever he felt right as a husband and as a leader of our home to do, then that's what he should do.
And just a reminder, Larry English is the man who owned the home that was under construction where Ahmaud Arbery was seen. And I want to point out that a lot of the trends that we heard from witnesses were about this. Instead of calling the police, they would call on their neighbors to check out suspicious things in their neighborhood. The defense asked the judge to reconsider some of the motions that he previously denied in relation to Ahmaud Arbery. And coming up tonight at 6, I'm going to let you know what their arguments are, because basically they're saying after hearing all these testimonies, those motions are even more relevant. I'll let you know what the judge decided as well. We're live at the Glenn County Courthouse. Marilyn Parker, Channel 4, the local station.